Hello, my dear Ergo friends, my brothers and sisters of the blockchain, my partners of the future inside the Ergo ecosystem. I welcome you very much to the second edition of the Ergo Newscast. I'm your host for today. My name is Itai, and I suggest we just jump into it. We have a lot to cover. From now on, introductions and explanations about the channel will not be necessary anymore, and we can just jump into whatever it is that we have to talk about. Starting with something that I found really cute, and I don't know if many of you have seen it inside the Ergo community, that in the Korean community, many of the users are adding AHA to their names, and AHA means the Ergo Holder Alliance, as well as Always Happy Ergo, but the Ergo Holder Alliance, meaning these people, generally speaking, don't intend to dump their coins no matter. Going through the waves high and low, these people believe that Ergo is going to places. And I gotta say that I do as well, and I'm in it for the very long run. I believe that anyone that is as well will be very happy. Why? Well, as we know, as you have seen, that Ergo or Blocko have some kind of partnership with Hyundai. And as Blocko has a partnership with Hyundai, Ergo has a partnership with Hyundai. If you do not understand that yet, then Phil wrote an in-depth article about the relationship between Blocko and Ergo, which I will leave in the description of the video. I highly recommend to you to read that. You can see here the official announcement of Hyundai AutoEver, and here there is this article that I will also leave in the description saying the following. The companies have signed an agreement and are planning to create a blockchain platform which will help to track vehicle information such as service history, mileage, and age. The data will also retain information regarding previous owners so that used car buyers can avoid buying a car with falsified of accident history. Moreover, Hyundai's latest plans to pair electric vehicles with users' smartphones will also rely on a distributed ledger technology system to encrypt the car performances metrics. And they add that South Korea, larger car suppliers, plan to apply the blockchain technology to other industries such as logistics and construction. Look, this is very, very big. In this article, the name Ergo is not mentioned, but Blocko is. And that's why I highly recommend to you to read Phil's article that I will leave in the description. Alright? Moving on. Look at this post from April 18th that Phil wrote in the official Telegram of Ergo. Not many people paid attention to that, but something caught my attention there. Let's dive into it. Here he says, forget Google, Facebook, or Microsoft. Hainan, I hope I'm pronouncing it correct. Hainan is building an entire city to explore how hybrid enterprise blockchain can help us transform our lives. And there is a picture of Phil together with, he even explained, Island is an island in China, kind of like a new Hong Kong for free trade based on digital technology, showcasing the capabilities of China and perhaps the world. I did a little bit of digging, and there is a blockchain test zone, and that is in Hainan. The Oxford University Blockchain Research Center published a press statement in October 3rd, not so long ago, the Strategic Cooperation Agreement with Hainan Resort. And it says, regular China blockchain industry noted that major exchange Huobi intends to move its headquarters from Beijing to Hainan, suggesting cryptocurrency companies are also welcome to develop their business in the zone. And I found this tweet as well. Blockchain Trial Zone announced today at Free Trade Zone of Hainan, China. The establishment of a new zone will encourage will encourage bold, ambitious, and revolutionary innovations based on blockchain and cultivating this new industry worth hundreds of billions. Now, with this message of Phil, I'm perceiving that there is really something happening here. There is something that hasn't been announced yet, and that we will get more glimpses with time. And I feel there is something really big there. Ergo are doing a lot under the surface, a lot behind the curtains. All right? There's been a poll in the official Ergo channel recently, where people voted that they want to understand more what Ergo is doing behind the scenes, because a lot is going there. My friends, it's going to explode on us in the next months, perhaps years. This is why we have the AHA Alliance. We're holding it long term. Just like it took a lot of guts for people to hold Ethereum throughout all the waves until it reached where it reached. I have a personal good childhood friend that held Ethereum from $0.50 until the very heights throughout the waves that it went. I will also leave another article in the video description of Oxford University Blockchain Research Center and Hainan Resort Software Community signed Strategic Memorandum of Understanding. As well as Phil, in another different post prior to the Aergo Light stand booth that they had in London for the expo, he wrote in the official Telegram channel. I want to just show you this one part, giving us another clue. Alright, in areas such as smart factories, smart grid, autonomous things, and smart cities, and many more use cases that have yet to be conceived. Alright, smart cities. So we really have enough clues that there are so many things going behind the curtains. Phil is kind of like the Wizard of Oz, but the real one. Okay? With the real powers.
Hola. Venido. Floppy.
We have a visitor, my girlfriend Murali, and our lovely dog Tiara, and Gopala, our other lovely dog Gopala.
The other ones are resting.
We have one more dog and one more cat that are not present at the moment. In my opinion, there is a lot of China FUD concerning cryptocurrencies. They're going to ban all the bans and stuff. But just look at companies such as Ontology that have a lot of financial, institutional money flowing in there. My personal belief, there is a lot of games there being played between China and the USA, China trying to keep steps ahead, and I think they're also succeeding in that. South Korea is a completely different game, but anyway, that's a topic for a different video. I am well versed in the South Korean technology scene. I've been involved in it for at least 10 years. I'm also a very big fan of Korean esports. Yim Johan fighting! Emperor of Terran. Also, Lee Sedol is one of my idols. I'm a Go player. Anyway, do you know what that is? The traditional Argentinian drink. It's called mate, and I highly recommend to you to Google it. It will change your life. If you are not really clear about the next steps of the Ergo roadmap, I will leave another link in the video description that can give you all the information that you need. This forum was made by, is an unofficial Ergo forum made by Cosmosis. So I will leave the link in the description as well, and perhaps it will get some more action going there. So Charles Red wrote a very in-depth review of Ergo that I really enjoyed reading, and I think that if you really want to understand what this project is about, it's a good starting point. You can start there and then go into the in-depth articles of Phil. So that's another link I will leave in the description. A lot of links. What else do we have for today? As the announcements of April have finished, Phil wrote about the Aergo Knights. I am an Aergo Knight. I am a crypto ambassador of Aergo. I was chosen as ambassador in the reward drop by making a video that I will share with you another time perhaps. And Phil says that there will be 3 types of Aergo Knights. One is a crypto ambassador, spreading the words within the crypto communities. So that's what I'm doing with this newscast, right? Another one is a developer enabler, putting together the best-in-class team of developers and developer enablers to take Aergo out to the global SQL and Lua communities. So if you have these skill sets or you want to, you will have the opportunity to join as an Aergo Knight developer enabler. And the third is an enterprise champions. In this category, we are looking for experienced enterprise champions who can represent Aergo in their region, help create marketing collateral for enterprise, facilitate introductions to suitable companies, and be a valuable person in the field amongst a variety of other tasks. And so I think the opportunities will be presented to us very soon to really take part and of course be rewarded for it. And that's why you are very much invited to follow the Twitter Aergo Knights, where there is already a lot happening. I see that they're selling shirts and stuff for the phones. A little bit expensive, but it's a nice start. Some interviews and links. My friends, things are starting to move. I really liked how the announcements ended with that last announcement that kind of summarized everything by Phil, and it gave the constellations, kind of, here is our solar system, here is our galaxy, let's go. So until the next newscast, I'm your host Itai. I will see you next time.